Hey there, guys. What's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks. Today, I am going to teach you how to add the @tag in your bio on Instagram. So, what you're going to do first and foremost is, of course, log into Instagram. Then, you're going to go ahead and click on the edit profile. So, you're actually seeing a true live demonstration of this on your screen. So, if you go into the edit profile, I am going to take out my @tag so I can show you how to @tag yourself. But you go ahead and type in your bio. I have, my name. I'm a mom of 6. Pray for me. For real. Pray for your girl. All right. For real. Pray for your girl. Learn digital media and tech in a fun environment. But I also want to place in that I have another account, which is my maternal health account. Now, why do you want to place an @tag? Because you want to make sure that you're not only growing your main account, but you also want to grow your brand account. So what we actually do in the digital media space, or what a lot of individuals do, is they actually have their individual account, which is just themselves, and then they may have a media account or a brand account, which will be about their media, like their podcast, their YouTube channel, so on and so forth, things to that effect, where it's just a separate entity, but in the same line of business, or maybe you are the brand and the face of that business. So for me, I have the Joss Speaks Digital, right? I have Joss Speaks Digital as a podcast as well as my individual brand, but then I also have Maternal Health Speaker. So with Maternal Health Speaker, I actually go out and advocate for postpartum depression. I talk a lot about postpartum depression and anxiety, especially in mothers of color, Black mothers. And I got to keep that separately because the people that are learning about digital media not necessarily too entertained. There may be a couple, but they may not necessarily want to know about postpartum depression. So each individual Instagram page should have a specific audience that it speaks to directly, right? So for my digital Joss Speaks Digital page, you want to learn technology, you want to learn digital media, you want to learn how to use this stuff, these hashtags, these algorithms, whatever, to help you either grow your business or for you to get your message out there to more people, right? To reach more people with your message. So on the other end, the maternal health folks want to learn more about maternal health. What does that mean to mothers? What does it mean to Black mothers? Hear about my experience with postpartum depression. And now my daughter's calling me on the phone, so now you can see it's a real thing. I'm doing this live. So with all that being said, you now know how to @tag a separate account in your bio on Instagram. Highly recommended if you have 2 accounts, but they are ran by the same person or within the same brand. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks. Make sure you reach out to me. You can either DM me here or follow me on YouTube @Joss Speaks Digital Media. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. Peace.